Welcome back, guys. So in this video I'm going to show you about the project that I recently made in Python. It is basically a graphical user interface calculator. Previously I made a simple calculator, a text based calculator, so that basically just takes input from the user, whatever user want to enter, and then apply some sort of mathematical calculation according to that and give us the output. So for previous 2 days I was trying to convert it into a graphical form, and I am now able to do it. So let me show you the code. So it is basically the story is not that lengthy. So from here it starts. I have used object oriented programming in it. So in object oriented programming there are basically classes, and from that class you create objects and then you apply some sort of methods on it, and then you get output. So that's simple. So for the graphical purpose I have used this amazing cool library in Python, which is tkinter, whatever it is. I just don't know the pronunciation. So I use this library to make graphical interface for my calculator. So run it. Wait a minute. Control B. And my computer is always slow. Wait a minute. Here it is. So you see, whenever I run my program, there is a pop-up window or a message box that basically greets me, welcome to my calculator, and press OK to continue. So whatever it is saying, we have to do now. So here is my little graphical user interface calculator. So let's do some cool mathematical calculation with it. So I'm going to add 456 and going to multiply it with 9. Then the answer is 4104. And I can also clear the screen. Now let's divide something. For example, 49 divided by 7, and it is 7.0. So that's basically the simple calculator. So I'm not very good with the color scheme. I've used this black color as a background so that I think it is more visualable and visualizable. So I'm planning to explain the code in the future video. So I will make another video in which I will explain the code, how I made it, and what were the problems basically that I faced in making this GUI calculator. Because there was some you need some, whenever you build such type of project, you build problem solving skill, which is very important for any programmer. You need this problem solving skills. For example, when I was making this project, I ran into a number of problems, and it basically just blew up my head. But then I just messed up with the things and changed the things, variables, and just messed up with it, and I was able to make it. So it was my first graphical user interface application. I am hoping to make more on it. For example, in the last video I showed you my project, which was the battleship game. So I'm also planning to convert that into the graphical user interface. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. So bye bye.